What did you learn at the Ancient Mayan workshop?
So we learned about the temple that they worshipped in, and we learned about the sacrifices.
And we learned at Mayan workshop, learn how to do the acting. We did some acting of making a Mayan hot chocolate and creating a beauty salon in the Mayan era.
We learned about the Mayan unlucky number and lucky number. The lucky number is 9 and the unlucky number is 13.
Linking on to Dylan, it's actually the other way around because now we say it's the unlucky number is 13, but in heaven, in the Mayan heaven, there'd be 13 layers and there'd be 9 in hell.
Awesome. What is your favourite fact that you learned?
My favourite fact is that there's different gods in Maya history, and I didn't know how the Maya died, and I know how they died. They died by the Spanish people coming in. They had a few fights, but mostly because the Spanish people had a disease.
My favourite fact was when they used to whip out their heart and then smear their heart on the gods.
My favourite fact was linked to Ethan's, where they did the ripping out the heart and handing it and using the blood from the heart to put on the stone idols.
I loved blood sacrifices.
Okay, and last bit, did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Definitely yes.
Yes.
Like everyone else, I really enjoyed it.
Excellent. Thank you all.
There.